welcome to another episode of Mangosto Garage, and to show that we don't just do things about Capris, we're going to buy a particular vehicle with my good friend Alex here, and it's not been on the road for a while, so it's a bit of a sort of, I'd say garage find, but it's barn find, would be quite literally a barn find. So we'll cut to when we're going to pick it up. Enjoy the show. So here we are with Alex's fantastic purchase. As it says, we're not just all about Capris. This is the Nibbi G 519, obviously a classic motor, and it's a tractor trailer thing. They're quite big in Portugal. I've been assured it's a wonderful vehicle, and we've got to drive it back about 2 miles. 3 kilometres back to Alex's house, so hopefully it will all go well. And as a little side note, this is one of the reasons why I live in Portugal. This is a Opel Kadett 2-door estate. There's no rust in it. You can see the spot welds on the bottom lip of the sill. This is why. Amazing. Unfortunately, the car's got no documents, so trying to legalise it in Portugal is just an absolute nightmare. But there are so many of these in Portugal, just cars in barns that have just been forgotten about because they don't have a problem with space like we do in England. But I mean, it's the original paint. It's like 1978, 79 car. Amazing. Amazing. But it'll probably go to make the BMW parts at some point. The beast lives. Two-cylinder diesel, and it's just started up first time after God knows how long. Got all the comforts, like a wooden seat. It's just great to see someone else getting their hands dirty instead of me for a change. And it's as simple as that. That's first. Let's stop. Yeah. But one thing you really have to love about the Portuguese antiquities, I think that probably best, is the starting mechanism.
Mas não quero preciso porque eu punha você para trabalhar sozinho, só que ele não deixava. Tinha que ser com ele.
À maneira dele.
Sempre em cima da gente. Andava atrás de mim, puxa mais tanto, tira a mudança, mete outra, acelera mais. Não, pai. Porra.
Isso não dá, não dá.
Porra, eu.
Ele prefere apressar que muita força.
It's all in the wrist, see? we got back in a fashion. I hope that my co-pilot picked up some film of it on the way back. But it's just done about, I don't know, 3 or 4 kilometres for the first time on the road for a long time. So I think we can class this as a success. So I'd like to thank Alex for allowing Mangusto Garage to film this epic barn find. And so it's not Nib, it's a Nibbi, whatever a Nibbi is. The Nibbi G519 has come back to life, and Alex is going to move all wood around it and hopefully keep us warm in the winter. So from Mangusto Garage, thanks again for this rather comedic episode, and we hope to catch you on the next one.